Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 16, page number 236. So, your first question, look at the given figure and answer the following questions. Name the 3 points. So, in this line, we have to find out the how many points are there. See, first point is the P, Q, R. So, that's the answer. You can write P, Q, and R. These three are the point. Okay, next, name all the line segment. So line segment, it is the part of the line segment is the part of the line. So first we can write PQ, another is QR, and one is PR. Okay, so you can write like this: PQ, QR, okay, and PR. Okay, these are the line segments. Okay, number 2, name the line segment and ray in the following figures. So you have to write the line segment as well as ray. So line segment, you can see one part is there, AB, so you can write AB also. Okay, then BC, yes, one part is there, BC, and whole AC from here A to C, you can see A to C full, so you can write AC also. Okay, now next is you have to write the ray is like AE, this part AE, BF, and CG. Okay, these are the rays. Got it? Understood? So you have to write the ray and the line segment. Okay, so likewise you can do this. Now number 3, in the given figure, okay, how many points are marked in figure, name of them. How many points are marked, that you have to name. So check that how many points. So count how many these points are there: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So how many points are marked? 8. So write the 8. Name, like AC. Okay, sorry, you have to write the name of the point, like P, Q, R, S, A, B, C, D. These are the points. Okay, next, how many planes are shown in the figure, name of them. So how many planes are there? So that you have to write. Total are 6 planes. You can check. This is the first plane, second, third, fourth, and 2 are also there. Below is 1 and that side is also there. So total are 6 planes. So write the name of that, like PCAB, BASD. Okay, so likewise you have to write it. Number 4, how many line segment are there. Number 3 here is that how many line segment. So line segment you have to write. So total are line segment are 12. How many? 12. So this line segment you have to write like this line, PC, PB, BA, like this, all the line segment you have to write it. Okay, now number 4, write line whose point is intersection is P. You have to write that point whose intersection is P. So check that at P who is intersecting. Okay, so now at point P you can check that line whose intersection is P. Okay, so you can see this L. Okay, here is the P and this is the Q, this is the Q, and this is the L. Its intersection is P, so its answer will be L and Q. Okay, line whose point intersection is T. So here whose intersection? So this is the line M. Okay, and this is the line R. So this R and M both intersecting at the T. So likewise you have to give the answer. Or like question number 4, all pairs of intersecting lines. Okay, so you have to write the all pair of intersecting line. So like LP, this is the LP. Okay, means MP. Okay, this is the MP. Okay, NP. So these all are the pairs of intersectings. Okay, so likewise you can write the answer for this. Okay, total questions is here, 6 questions are there, so you can do it. So here in question number 4, all pairs of intersecting lines only you have to write, like LP, LP, okay, MP, okay, so there is the M, okay, and this P, okay, so this is the, like this, pair of the intersecting lines. Now next is number 5, in the figure alongside. Okay, name 3 lines on line L. Okay, 3 lines on L. So check that on L how many 3 lines are there. First, like P, you can see name 3 line segment on line L. Okay, so where is the line L? You check that this is the line L. Okay, 3 lines means you have to write, you can write PQ, you can write QP, this one same, you can write PQ or QP, same QR, this one, this line. Okay, or you can write the full PR. Okay, so these are the 3 lines, you can write it. Same, name 2 ray on the line T. So 2 ray on the, where is the line T? This is the line T. So 2 ray you have to write, so you can write RS, this RS. Okay, or SR you can write. So these are, likewise you can write the name, because RS or SR both side is the arrow, so you can write RS likewise or SR. Okay, so likewise you can write the answer. Next, number 6, identify the following as closed as open figures. Means closed and open you have to only identify. So you can see this is the open or closed. Open because it's a shape is opened one, this is closed. Okay, or this is closed or open, you just tell me. This question number 2, it is a closed figure or open figure. Means this is the identify the following as closed or open figure. But in number 2 you can see that it's a shape is curved. Okay, it's a shape is curved. For this closed shape, it should be, its the boundary should be straight and closed, but its the shape is closed, so it will be not come under the closed figure. Okay, so it will be also come in the open figure. Okay, so how many closed figure? So you can see the closed figure is, sorry, here I just do the mistake. For this closed and open, very simple, it is not necessary like that its boundary should be straight and all that. Okay, it's very simple, it should be closed, means its a boundary should not be open. So this is, here is the open. Okay, this is your open figure. Number 3 you can see open figure. Okay, number 5 you can see open figure. Number 7 open figure. These all are rest, these all are the closed figure, these all are the closed figure. Okay, very simple concept, no anything you have to see like curved boundary and all that. Okay, now next, see the question number 7. Look at the given figure and answer the following question. Means you have to see from here and write the answer. Look at the given figure and answer the following. Which point lies in interior of the figure? Those are the inside, they are called interior. Those are outside, they are called exterior. Simply you see the L, K, M, and these are the interior. Which point lies in the exterior figure? So like D, P, and all these are the exterior. Which point lies on the boundary of the figure? Means exactly on the boundary, like C, Q, R, these lies on the boundary. Okay, now multiple choice questions. Which of the following does not represent a ray in the given figure? Okay, so which of the not represent ray? So like QA, sorry, OA, check that OA. Here OA, it is ray, it is correct. OB, it is a ray. BA, see, check that B to A. Okay, here is, you can check the naming. B to A means it means A side should be increased. BA means like this, it should be, ray should be go towards the A, but here actually ray is going towards B. So this is your, this is not a ray. Okay, AB, yes, correct, because it is ray is going towards the B. Got it? Now number 9, which of the following is not found in given figure? Point, yeah, point is available. Okay, ray is also, because point is there, ray is also there. Okay, next is, then line is there? No, because ray is there. Yeah, ray is there, point is there, but is it there line? No, line is not there. Then after line segment is there. Check that, yeah, line segment is possible, because A to O, here to here, this two line segment, A to B, line segment is possible, but line is there because line is increased, it's it is increasing in the both side. There is no any line. Number 10, which of the following can be measured? So line can be measured? No, because it is endless. Ray, one side it will be also increased, endless. Point, no, because it has no any dimension. Line segment, yes, line segment we can measure, so its answer will be line segment. Okay, so you just do it and also solve the revision exercise of same chapter. This is your homework. Okay.